Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl. Guess what I'm doing today? So, I'm going through all of my hair care products and I'm gonna organize them. So far, I got all of my hair care products out of my linen closet. So all the rest of that stuff is skincare, body wash, towels, toothpaste, all that good stuff. And I have most of my stuff right here that I need to organize. Wish me luck. Anyway, I gotta look at the boom because I'm looking at my camera. Anyway, so now I have to go under the sink, but before I do that, I need to get a trash bag because I got a lot of stuff under this sink that I haven't seen in forever. For real. The stuff in the bag. I just need to go ahead. Let me go ahead and close my shower curtain. But I just need to go ahead and get this stuff up out of here. So, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm about to do. So, get ready. Because it's about to go down. But first, I need a chair. Because I'm 5'11" and I really don't want to be in the floor getting the stuff out. So, I'm going to go ahead and get my chair. And go ahead and get this stuff out, guys. So, I'm about to show y'all. And there's no judgment zone, okay? This is a no judgment zone here. So, I'm about to show y'all what's under my sink in my bathroom. Y'all ready? Look at all this stuff I got down here. I mean, I got scales. I got cleaning products. And guys, for your tub, to me, this is the best thing that works. I mean, it gets stubborn stains out of the tub, like hard water stains and all that out of the tub. I love this by Mrs. Meyer's. It's a Clean Day tub and tile cleaner, and it's in the lemon verbena scent. I also like the lavender scent, but it's not really about the scent. It's about this cleaning product, guys. It removes soap scum and hard water stains. And when I tell y'all this is the best thing I've ever used. I've used Comet. I've used Ajax. I've used bleaching sprays. I've used Lysol. I've used the scrubbing bubbles. None of that stuff seemed to work. And when I found this product, this is my holy grail for cleaning out tubs. But anyway, that's besides the point. Let's get into this cleaning under here so I can get all of my hair products. Most of these hair products under here I haven't used in forever, but we're gonna clean this thing so then I can organize my hair products. So let's go. Alright guys, so I'm about to go ahead and start. And I have a trash bag right here because a lot of this stuff is going in the trash. This is the daily shower spray from Method. I just started using that. Here's some hair clippers that I use to cut my boy's hair. Why do I still have this? I don't know, because I don't use these heads in here. But you know what? I'm going to keep it just in case. I'm going to switch it up. Alright, here's a bin of stuff I haven't used in forever. This is, look how, ooh, you see what this is looking like? I don't even know, like, the last time that I used this. But anywho, it's so bad that it's like It's tight. You see this? Anyway, it's the Mixed Chicks Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner. So yeah, this is trash. I also have the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner repair cream. I haven't used this in a while, but it still got plenty of products, so I'm gonna keep that. Also, I got the Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oils Love Me 5-in-1 Miracle Styling Cream. It's a cool product, so I'm gonna keep this. I got a little bit more left in there. Oh my gosh, this is one of the best creams for a nice twist out. It's from Curls. It's the Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. I love this stuff. I need to get a big bottle of this stuff, but I only have a little bit in here, and that's definitely not enough to do a nice twist out. I need a lot of product, so this is going in the trash. Next, this is when I was transitioning. This is a Soft Shine Carson Optimum Oil Therapy, and I only have a little bit of product in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and trash it. I haven't used it in forever. Here's another set of clips that are bad. Do not ever get these. I got these from Walmart because I couldn't find my other clippers when I was cutting my kid's head. And guess what? These things rusted and everything, so no. And then I got some clips. You can't go wrong with these clips. And I have this comb, and this is from one of the hair cutting kits that I have, and that's trash because I don't use those kind of combs like that. So I done emptied out this bin. Alright, next we have, here's some more. These are the Conair clippers, and those are for my kid. They're not for me. So then I have some spray, which is the Pumpkin Harvest from Febreze. I've had this for a long time. Let me see if it still works. It still works. I think I'm gonna trash it because I've had it for years. When I tell y'all it's some stuff down here that I haven't used in years, I'm not lying to you. Alright, so then I have two toothbrushes. These are not toothbrushes that I use for me. These are toothbrushes that I use for cleaning. So I'm going to keep them down here, and I keep them in this cute little thing right here that I will be cleaning off because it's so disgusting. Then I have some, what is this? I got some Caribbean Natural Braids, Locks and Twists, Coconut Mango Lime, Replenishing Growth Oil. This is trash. I only use this when I had like braids in and stuff, and this is really, really old. I'm not going to use this anymore. Okay, so next I have some, and I haven't even used this yet, guys, and I've had this for a few years. I got this from Big Lots, and it's the Pantene Truly Natural Hair Curl Defining Conditioner. It says it moisturizes natural hair to help detangle and prevent knots. I definitely need to review this product or to use this product, whether I post it on my YouTube channel or not. It don't matter, but I definitely need to use this. I spent $4 on this thing. So, and it's 20 ounces. So I will be using this. I will not be throwing it away. Next, I got this container here. Okay. The thing about this, it's the Bath & Body Works bag, and it's full of empties. But guess what? The empties, I've had these sitting down here for I don't know how long, guys. Y'all let me know if I should do a empties video, and if so, I'll do an empties on this. If not, I'll just trash it. So just let me know. In here I got hair care products, and I think a container of soap that I use from Bath & Body Works, but majority of this stuff is hair care products. So let me know. If not, boom, it's gonna be trash. All right, what is this? Okay, look at these. What is these? This little behind thing. What am I gonna do with this? All this hair I got on my head. When I tell y'all, I'm actually show you. You know what? I'm gonna show y'all what it's gonna be looking like on my head. Hey guys, so as you can see, this is all that this thing covers. Like, it just covers the top of my big fro. That's it. Big puff. Like, I don't even remember where I got this thing, but definitely this is trash. Trash. Hey guys, so I'm back and I got most of this mess from, well, not most, I got everything cleared out from underneath of my sink, and I do have some hair products that I will be organizing with the rest of my hair care products. So let's just jump into getting everything wiped down and organized on my new three-tier cart that I got to hold all of my hair care products. So let's get into it. Well guys, I finished cleaning it out. This is the bottom of my bathroom sink and it's organized and I can see everything down here. Over here I got my two scales. I have some mouthwash. I have a Baby Magic hair and body wash. I have some empties in the bag. If you guys want to see my empties, just let me know. If not, I will trash them. It's not that it's not that serious. Then down here I have 2 kits, which are my hair cutting kits, and then I have on top another pair of clippers. I have my little angel down there, and it just holds the toothbrushes that I use to clean out the bathroom. Over here I have my toilet bowl cleaners, then my daily shower cleaner from Method, some Comet in the back, some hydrogen peroxide, and the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day tub and tile cleaner. And then all the way in the back, that's my old hair dryer. And then I have one of those skin care spin brushes. I have 3 heads in there, and that is all, guys. So this is it. And then I was able to keep at least 7 hair care products and some hair tools. So yeah, that's it. So let's get into this organizing of my hair care products.